Hello everyone. A very good morning to one and all. This is Ashwani Yadav, physical education teacher at Kendriya Vidyalaya BHU. I am here today for the occasion of Fit India School Week 2020 and in the series of various activities on this auspicious occasion, or we can say that this auspicious week, which is so much important for not only the teachers but each and every student also. I am here to share some of the things that how to come up or how to come out of this tough time, the situation that we all are facing nowadays. Everybody knows this is the time of pandemic. The novel coronavirus has affected everyone's life very worstly. On request of the staff of Kendriya Vidyalaya Silchar, I am here to share some views of my own. By following these views and applying these ideas in your day to day routine, you will feel a positive change and also it will release positive energy in your life. I am very thankful to Narendra sir who gave me such a good opportunity to interact with all you lovely kids. I also thanks a lot and express my gratitude to respected principal of Kendriya Vidyalaya Silchar. So, without taking much of your time, I would like to start today's lecture. As we all know that it's really a very tough time and many of us are just working hard to live our life or to be at a good condition or to be away from this dangerous virus. So, how can we get protected from it? Of course, you are following a lot of SOPs and guidelines and are already having, means each and every person is having a lot of guidelines given by Government of India, Indian Medical Association and so on. So everyone knows how to be aware, how to get yourself protected. The main thing that you kids can do and also help the nation to be at safe position and not to increase the number of cases day by day. You must boost up your immune system, and the best way to boost up your immune system is working hard. And now the slogan you might recall that आधा घंटा फिटनेस का डोज हर रोज. So that is also interesting fact in this fitness and in this Fit India School Week that we are all celebrating. So means you have to do any kind of fitness activities daily, at least 30 minutes a day. And friends, if you give this 30 minutes to yourself, you will feel a lot of positive energy traveling around you. You will feel very much fit. You will feel that you are easily able to do each and everything you are doing your daily routine, means you are having a good level of concentration. Also, the fitness is said to be a sound mind in a sound body. So you can imagine, if you are ill, you will not be able to do anything. You will not be able to even carry out your daily routine works, and also you will have a lot of stress. Your mind will not be involved in any of the activities, or you will not feel interested in doing any activities or talking to anyone or doing your homeworks or studies also. So it means fitness is the most prominent thing in this pandemic era, in this pandemic period, in the time of COVID 19. So, if in the form of physical exercises or some kind of sports where you cannot be in close contact of anyone else, and for that you don't have to go very far from your home, any space you can utilize, either if there is a park nearby. Now the parks are also open with proper SOPs and social distancing. So, or you can do it at your top of the roof also. It means the things you require are at minimum place. The things you require is really your own willpower and your dedication to keep yourself fit. And if you will give this 30 minutes to you daily, definitely your health will be at a optimum level. You will be able to carry out your daily routines with much more enthusiasm, and also you will attain a good level of physical fitness. This activity or these exercises which you do at home, you can teach your elders also. You can teach your parents also. You can teach them that to boost up our immune system is the most important thing in this pandemic period. And if your immune system will be good, your health will be good, and automatically the level of stress or the level of disturbance of homeostasis of your mind will be at a safer place. And when you are not having any kind of stress, you will be happy. You will do whatever you enjoy. You will have interest in the things you are doing. Your mind will act more creatively, and you will do your simple task. You will do your simpler task with a much more and creative orientation. So you can easily imagine with my words that how important your physical fitness is, not only for you but also for your family members. So it's the only thing that can keep yourself fit, away from any kind of stress, any kind of negative things, any kind of the thing that can keep you away from your path or keep you at a negative track. So, dear students, I will request you all that at least give 30 minutes to your physical fitness, and that physical fitness may be any kind of exercise, any kind of sports you enjoy,